We're out here at a light commercial project. This insurance agent came to us and they had two main requests. They needed to open up their workspace, take out a lot of walls so people could work together in a bigger working common area. And then their other major item on their list was the lighting in the space. So we've torn out a lot of walls throughout the space. There are some walls going back, but they'll be glass walls to sort of divide the spaces, but still create an open working environment. And then all the lighting throughout the whole building is going to be the new flat lens LED lighting, which is much more appropriate and better for the work environments today. We're doing this in two phases. Right now we're getting to the end. We're painting here on phase one in a day or two. If you have any kind of commercial project, we'd love to talk to you, whether it's medical office, an office space like this. We'd love to speak to you about it.